This is the unboxing of the tablet screen replacement kit from this dealership. Alright, I'm gonna open the box. As you can see, they've included some tools that if you watch the videos of how to do it, you'll need them all. And this is just padding, and this is the suction cup. And this obviously is the screen, which there's the screen, some wipes, and a micro fiber cloth to clean it, and that's it. Here's what was included in the kit. This here is not included. This is the iPad 2, which I'll be attempting to replace later. This screen, and there's this plastic tool. There's 4 of these to help you lift up the screen, and this is tweezers, another metal tool there. This one has a pointy cross-like head, and there's another metal tool there. Here's the glue to apply to the new screen, and they gave 2 sets of wipes and microfiber. That's it. Thank you for watching.